I recently had the opportunity to go hands-on with a Nintendo Switch 2 at the London launch event. While the original Switch was a game changer in 2017, the Switch 2 aims to refine and enhance that experience. Let's delve into the hardware, features, and how it performs in real-world scenarios. The Switch 2 maintains the hybrid design we know, but feels more premium. The 7.9-inch HDR LCD screen is a significant upgrade, offering vibrant colors and smoother visuals with its 1080p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The console feels sturdier in hand, and the new matte finish gives it a sleek, modern look. The Joy-Con 2 controllers now attach magnetically to the console, providing a satisfying snap when connected. This design not only streamlines the attachment process, but also enhances the overall build quality. One of the standout features is the Joy-Con 2's ability to function as a mouse. In Drag and Drive, a 3v3 wheelchair basketball game, I used both Joy-Cons on a flat surface to simulate wheelchair movement. The haptic feedback added to the immersion, but it can be really difficult to get used to how to play this game well, hence why we lost. The sensor accuracy felt solid, and although the overall feel of the Joy-Cons were quite small compared to a normal mouse, it was something that you could get used to fairly quickly and easily. I can see this game being popular amongst gamers, but for the casual audience, the whole mouse mat and desk setup makes it impractical for most users, although it did work well. The 7.9-inch display isn't just larger, it's brighter and more responsive. Games like Mario Kart World look stunning, with HDR support bringing environments to life. The upgraded speakers deliver clearer audio, making handheld gaming more immersive. The only gripe about this is that it isn't an OLED screen, which newer models of the original Switch did have. This can surely be explained by them holding back on that feature for a Switch 2 OLED version in the future, but still something to keep in mind. Powered by a custom NVIDIA processor with DLSS support, the Switch 2 handles demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 surprisingly well. While it doesn't match high-end PCs, the performance is commendable for a handheld device. This also gave me an opportunity to experiment with the gyro aiming feature. While it offers an interesting alternative to traditional controls, I found it quite challenging to master, making precise aiming more difficult than anticipated. The redesigned dock now also supports 4K output and includes a built-in fan for better cooling. The addition of a USB-C port allows for accessories like the new camera, enabling features like game chat and video calls. Nintendo also offers a range of accessories, including the new Pro Controller 2, which features remappable back buttons and a headphone jack, and also, of course, the USB-C camera, which enables video chat and integrates with certain games. Nintendo's also bringing back some GameCube classics to the Switch 2 via the Nintendo Switch Online and Expansion Pack subscription. Titles like Legend of Zelda Wind Waker, F-Zero GX, and Soul Calibur 2 are available at launch, with more to follow. To complement these games, Nintendo has released a new wireless GameCube controller. It retains the iconic design, but adds modern features like USB-C charging and a C button for game chat. Super Mario Party Jamboree took full advantage of the Switch 2's new features, the mini-games that utilize the Joy-Con 2's mouse functionality, and the optional camera accessory brought a whole new level of interactivity. Seeing myself on the screen during gameplay was both hilarious and fun, and we even managed to get a win, which made it even better. While technical specs are important, gaming is ultimately about enjoyment, and Mario Kart World absolutely delivers. This latest iteration of the classic Nintendo racer introduces an open-world design that's a real game changer. I found myself freely exploring everything from towns to mountain roads, and even racing across train tracks and power lines. The new Knockout Tour mode, a 24-player Battle Royale-style race, adds a thrilling competitive edge. At each checkpoint, you need to meet a leaderboard position or you're eliminated. I had to go with Luigi, obviously, and the chaos that followed was pure Mario Kart magic. I also managed to place 4th on my first go, which I was pretty happy with. The vibrant graphics, smooth performance, and responsive controls made it all the more immersive. It's a perfect showcase of how the Switch 2 enhances not just the technical side of gaming, but the sheer fun of it too. The Nintendo Switch 2 is a thoughtful evolution of its predecessor, with hardware enhancements, innovative features like the Joy-Con mouse functionality, and a strong lineup of games. It offers a compelling package. While some features may feel experimental, and for the pure casual gamer, the upgrade may not make sense considering the high price point, the overall experience is polished and ultimately fun, which is what this is all about. If you currently don't own a Nintendo Switch, this is the version to get when it comes out. It's more powerful, more refined, and has a lot of smart quality of life improvements. However, if you're a casual or light user who mostly plays docked or only dives into a few games a year, this might not feel like a must-have right now. The original Switch still holds up for everyday gaming. My advice is simple. If you're not in a rush, it might be worth waiting for either a price drop or a potential OLED version in the future, which could take this already excellent screen up to a completely new level. Overall, the Switch 2 is shaping up to be a fantastic system for those who will make full use of it. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the Nintendo Switch 2, and a big thank you to Nintendo for sending me out to the event. If you found this review helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech videos, and also check out this video on screen right now. We'll see you in the next one.